Are you craving cozy comfort cookies that feel like a warm hug but are secretly healthy? Let's make them. First, we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to need 1/4 cup of oat flour. No flour? No problem. You can take any oats, throw them in a blender for about a minute, and you will have oat flour. You know, oats are full of soluble fiber, which is great for your digestion and is very filling. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of pumpkin. This fruit, yes, I said fruit, is very low in calories and nutrient dense, full of vitamins. Then we'll add 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, which is essentially cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves, full of antioxidants and is anti-inflammatory. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of almond butter, which is full of healthy fats and protein. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. This natural sweetener is rich in antioxidants and so much better for you than refined sugar. Then we'll add a can of chickpeas that has been drained and rinsed. This legume is high in protein and fiber, which will keep you full. And then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which will give our cookies that light and fluffy texture. Then you'll take everything except for the oat flour, put that in a blender and mix it up. If it's too dry, you may need to add a few tablespoons of plant milk. I wound up adding 4 tablespoons of vanilla almond milk. Once that is ready, then you can add your 1/4 cup of oat flour, mix it all together. It should now be a creamy, sticky dough, and you are ready to make your perfect circle cookies. Just kidding. I actually prefer homemade cookies to look homemade. Stick those in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes until the edges and the bottom turn a beautiful golden brown, and then let them cool and you will be ready to enjoy your gluten-free, dairy-free, easy, healthy, refined sugar-free vegan cookies. Would you make these? Let me know in the comments below.